You are very much welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about how Bhujangasana or Cobra Pose is done in this video and its miraculous benefits. If you do not subscribe to the channel, then subscribe, and if the video is good, then like and share it please. Let's know how to do Cobra Pose. Lay out a yoga mat. Procedure: starting position, lie on stomach on the ground, with forehead touching the floor. Extend the arm along the body. Bend the arms at the elbow, place the palms by sides of the shoulders on the floor. Inhaling slowly, raise the head, neck and shoulders, raise the trunk up to level and at the back. Maintain the posture for 10 to 15 seconds, releasing position. Exhaling slowly, bring down the torso and then head and chin. Place the forehead on the ground. Straighten the arms and keep them by the side of the body and relax. Benefits: this asana makes spine flexible and improves agility. It strengthens the muscles of the back and the arms. It solves many digestive problems. It reduces abdominal fat. It improves the functioning of the urinary system. It improves breathing function. It calms the mind and improves focus. If you do not subscribe to the channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, like it and share it. Thank you.